Sojourners, how are you all doing today? Today is Saturday and I'm tempted to go outside to do a little work in my garden, but it is overcast. The sky is overcast outside, and so I am trying to find something to do inside. Okay, so I have this snake plant here. It has been in this pot for almost 2 years, 2 to 2.5 years, and I think by now it needs to be repotted. Now let me share a little about snake plant. Some people might know it by another name. The snake plant is a common house plant, and because of its natural beauty, a lot of persons use it as part of their home decor. Okay, so if you look at it, you see how beautiful it is. There, in this pot, I have two types: the star one and this. This is all green, and this one with the yellow and green, the yellow around the edge and the green inside. Look how beautiful it is. This snake plant is easy to care for. All you need to do is provide the right type of soil, and you don't have to water it every day. It does not take a lot of water. Okay, so this can go for several days without water. It is said that the snake plant has several health benefits. One of them is that it purifies the air inside the room. It also helps with allergies for persons who suffer with allergies. It helps that. It removes pollutants from the atmosphere. And it also enhances the energy in the room, right? One thing I must note though, research shows that if you have pets like cats and dogs, you have to take it off the floor, put it on a stand, because it's toxic to pets like cats and dogs. Okay, so remember now, if you have a snake plant and you have pets around, keep it on a stand. Okay, keep it off the floor so they can't reach it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to try to get it out of this pot. And let's see. Get it out of here. Wow. Right. So there it goes. This is what it was looking like. Okay. Now I'm going to take out whatever is in this. I have some stones at the bottom of this. You can see the stones. And I'm going to take that out and put some new stones in it. Alright, so I'm going to get some soil. I've mixed the soil with some compost and some plant food. And so I'm going to put some new soil in this pot. Alright, so I'm going to set this in the bottom. And I'm going to try to get this out of this pot. then we need some soil at the bottom. I'm going to press it down so that it is compacted. Get rid of all the air space. I'm going to put it back in the original pot. So here it is, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. Okay, so here I am putting it right back in its original pot. Okay, so there it is. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Now look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. Alright, so the soil, I'm going to mix that soil that I took from it in the soil that I have here, and I'm going to be planting the other two in it. I'm going to use this container because those are tall, so they need a taller container. Right, so I'm going to sit this down, press it down a little. Need something to press it on. Press this soil down a little. Then I set those two roots in it, okay? Now, while I'm doing this, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I am asking you to do so now, because that is going to help to build my channel. And you notice that I am growing slowly but surely, okay? So now that I've pressed this down, okay, so I'm going to set these two in it. There we go. I'm going to set these two. I'm going to set these two plants right here, like that. And they, of course, they are going to have new growths taking place soon. Get rid of all the air space so we don't have any problem with fungus. Wow, look at that. It's kind of on spoon, so I just need some more soil in it. Here we go. Okay, Sojourners, I bought these at the dollar store and I use them as my underliners. So here, I'm gonna place this one under here. See? Wow, can you see this? Wow. Alright, so now I'm going to pour some water on both of them so that the earth can set, the soil can set. So here, okay guys, so there they are. Are they beautiful? So those two are the suckers that came from that original plant at the back. And see, now I have repotted it and I get two new plants from it. Okay, Sojourners, thank you all for viewing. If this is the first time, please remember to subscribe before you leave and click that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post the videos. Thank you all for all that you do to help me build my channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye.